We call Neumann University the school on top of the holy hill. We have about 2,500 students enrolled, about 1,700 in the undergraduate, then we have doctoral programs and master's programs. We're located 20 minutes south of Philadelphia. It's a gorgeous, well-kept little gem just in the heart of Delaware County. It really is kind of one of those, you feel like you're at somewhere special type of places when you walk onto the campus. So we're using video in just about everything that we do. Right now we're doing a show called the Neumann Update, which is basically a campus news program. So we're really trying to make sure that the students have an accurate representation of what it's like in the business broadcast world.
Hello Newmannites and welcome back. I'm Brooke Morris.
NewTek products are at the heart of what we do when it comes to video production here. There are 5 TriCasters within our arsenal that are all connected using NDI, which really lets us be in 5 different locations at once, pulling live sources in. So we have 2 television studios that also serve as classrooms and as master control for our sporting events.
This is what I want to do for the rest of my life, and I'm 20. I had the chance to do it right now. It's no better feeling in the world. I've been on NCAA broadcasts, I've been on Neumann broadcasts, and it's just an insane feeling to look back and go, wow, I've done that. The things I've seen the TriCaster do in just the few short years I've been here, it's insane. At first, I kind of just thought, oh, you could switch camera angles, and then you realize, wow, you could send signals across miles and miles, and you can connect broadcasts all over the world. It just goes way deeper than camera 1 to camera 2.
I would say that NewTek has grown exponentially in the 10 years that I've been at Neumann. I've seen their technology just be more and more innovative and open to other vendors. They're not just their own little contained area, especially with NDI. I've watched so many different vendor partners that I use begin to adopt that protocol. And all the new products that they continue to introduce continue to make these workflows easier, affordable for different applications. And NewTek has something for every price point to really make sure that no matter what level you're at, you're still getting the same excellent product line, same quality, and same great customer service that's always going to be upgrading within the next 6 to 12 months. You know that they're always working on the next big thing, and we're all anxiously waiting every time NAB comes around because we know that they're going to be doing something pretty cool. We built our program on the success, not just of our students and the professional staff we bring in, but because of the product lines that we get to introduce these students to. We are a small private Catholic college just outside of Philadelphia, and big expensive switchers and production equipment from other companies would cost more than the building that we just built. We get the same quality out of these NewTek products for an excellent price that doesn't break our budget every single year. So without NewTek TriCasters and NewTek's product lines, Neumann Media would not have the video side of the house, and people would not be looking at us right now for communications.